The YouTube Tiddlywinks is here. And with all the stand your ground BS going on that we've been seeing all around the nation, people wanting to repeal it, and special House and Senate sessions, and all that, I thought I would explain how it works and cite a case that just happened. Now, there was a case just in Pensacola, Florida, where a guy went for stand your ground. Basically, if you want a stand your ground defense, you go before a judge by yourself, or with your lawyer or whatever, and there's not a jury and all that. You just basically, they determine whether you have grounds for stand your ground or not. But the problem is, if you don't, then you go up for murder or whatever it is, that manslaughter, whatever it is that you actually did, as opposed to stand your ground. And this just happened to a guy in Pensacola who was fighting for stand your ground because he killed a teenager in his home that was living in his home. Said he was trying to wrestle a gun from him, but all the evidence proved that it was not stand your ground. So the judge denied him stand your ground, and he is now going to be facing second-degree murder charges. And I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below. Now, the people that are anti-stand your ground would not want you to know about that case because they don't want you to know how stand your ground works. They just want to fight it just for the hell of it, basically. George Zimmerman did not go for stand your ground because he knew it worked that way. He went for self-defense, which in the state of Florida, you're either basically blah, 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 blah. But with stand your ground, if he would have missed it, then he would have gone on trial for second-degree murder anyway, and he had a better chance with self-defense. So now that you understand how it works, you're actually charged and can be sentenced to murder still if you claim stand your ground. You can't just go shoot somebody and say, oh, stand your ground, I win. It doesn't work that way. So all you people who think it does work that way, and you're listening to like these weird people that Stevie Wonder and don't listen to these idiots. They're just out to get media attention, and they're out to just fight every single law that they can that they think is unjust, or they know that it's not unjust, and they just want to fight it just for the hell of it because it makes them feel better about themselves. Watch what I'm talking about, people. Tiddlywinks is signing off.
That was a slug, I think. That was it.